Hello everyone, I am Priya Bhatt, Student Placement Coordinator of EC at NIE, Batch 2021. We will see how to deal with the percentage in this video. So whenever we say the term percent, it's always with respect to 100. The term percentage was derived from the Latin word percentum, which means by 100. So for example, 59% is 59.59 in decimal or 59 by 100 in fraction. Percentage has no dimension, hence it's called dimensionless quantity. Now we will see how to solve problems on percentage in a simpler way. Consider 51 percentage of 60. It can be done in two ways. Find 51 by 100 of 60, or it can be done as 50 plus 1 percentage of 60. 50 percentage of 60 is nothing but 30 plus 1 percentage of 60 is 0.6. That means 30.6. These are the important points to remember. So if you know these formulas, you can solve most of the problems on percentage within 5 to 6 seconds. If you didn't know these formulas, you will have to solve in a usual way, which will take much more time. So consider the question: find 33.33 percentage of 60. You can now, by these formulas, you know 33.33 percentage is 1 by 3 fraction. So it can be written as 1 by 3 of 60, which is nothing but 20. Similar way, you can know all these fractions and can solve within 5 to 6 seconds. Now we will see much more problems on the percentage. The question says there is 15% increase in the numerator and 8% decrease in the denominator, and then it gives a fraction 15 by 16. Find the original fraction. This can be solved as there is 15% increase in the numerator and 8% decrease in the denominator, which will give 15 by 16. That means 15 by 16 is 115 percentage of a number and 16 is 8% less. That means 92 percentage of some number. So 15 by 16 into 92 by 115 will give us the answer. Moving on to the next problem. If income of A is 30% more than the income of B, then how much percentage of income of B is less than that of A? Now let us consider initially the income of B is 100. Then the income of A is 30% more than the income of B. That means A's income will be 130. Now they are asking what is the percentage of income of B less than that of A. That means 130 minus 100 by 130. You have to take income of A into 100. 30 by 130 of 100. 300 by 30. The next question is, if there is 40% increase in the price of the sugar, what should be the reduction in annual sugar consumption so as not to increase the family expenditure? Let us initially consider the cost of sugar be 100 rupees, and they buy 100 kgs every year. That means 10,000 will be their expenditure. After the 40% increase in the price of the sugar, the cost will become 140 rupees, and as the cost is increased, we have to decrease the amount of sugar that is brought. So that will be 100 minus x kgs. In the question they have asked, the expenditure has to be the same. That means 10,000 will remain same. 140 into 100 minus x will be 10,000. On solving, this will give us 1,000 Thank you.